Hi, welcome back. Another important question of the day. 42. Which options are important for delivery related billing in SAP ECC or S4 HANA? Let's choose the options. A. Billing header. B. Order item category with billing relevance. C. Date of goods issue. D. Delivery item delivery related billing. Contract header data, all of the above. In this, one or more options might be correct. This is, if you follow my channel, this is specifically useful for your certification preparation. I'm specifically pointing out, and if you look at this, this is my dedicated Udemy forum. You can able to give a different courses. I'm just providing these links below of this video. Or for all functional consultants, specifically, I'm recommending these two courses. If you are a SD consultant, without doubt, you can able to choose this course. And this is successful. I had a 1,000+ students, plus 150 successful reviews almost. Okay, when it comes to what I would say, if you really wanted to get more inputs like this, you can subscribe my channel. Currently, I'm holding 784 videos. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat.